Traders, we're looking at Bitcoin daily time frame. We've broken market structure, bullish break of structure here, shift in the trend, and then BOS. This is bullish. My bias is obviously long. We've got some really nice price action playing out here. I like what I'm seeing on the chart. We've also broken above this previous daily bearish order block here. That's a good sign. The only thing, it's traded into this liquidity pool, and we see the reaction off that, so everything seems to be stacking up quite nicely. We've got these buy stops that are sitting above this range here. Okay, all the buy stops that are resting up there, it traded right into it, and we see the reaction off this liquidity being hit. Okay, and now we've got this really nice pullback. So I mean, this fits with my trend continuation strategy. Fibonacci, Fibonacci low to high, down into the 50, buy. We could go down to a 4H and have another look at it from this perspective. You know, I like what I'm seeing here as well. All right, there's a couple of things now. We've got this thin candle imbalance, bullish imbalance resolved. We've got this thin candle here, bullish imbalance. So you can see it's one-sided trading bullish. This imbalance has been resolved. So I'm good to go with this. Now I would enter a long position at market. I'm setting a fairly wide stop. I don't trust the volatility with this. I'm okay to go for a fairly wide stop. That's a 2R target up here, so I don't have any issue with this whatsoever. There's a 2R target right there, but you know, you want to go a bit better than that. So let's just have a look left. Actually, I'll go out to the daily time frame and we'll work out some targets, because if this thing picks up a bit of traction, just take out that. If this thing gains some traction, we've got, well, these highs here. That's my next target. So there's T1, target 2, target 3, and we're looking at, that's nice, 38939. There's a 3.9R target. What I'd be inclined to do with this, if it gives us some distance here, I would be looking to do this. I'll just grab this tool here. Let's just mark this up. This is my trend, my risk reward tool. So we've got 2R, 3R, 4R. So we're looking at nearly a 4R target. I reckon once this, if it moves in our favor and we clear 1R, I'd be inclined then to pull the stop loss up to better than break even and probably sit on my stop loss around here and just let it run. Now, the other way that you can do this, if it does trend, I mean, it's currently trending really well. If it does continue, the thing to do then would be, now let's just paint a bit of a picture here. See, we've had this high return, low buy, you know, higher low buy, higher low buy, higher low buy. Let's just say we continue on this trajectory. I mean, that's awesome, right? That's a picture perfect trend. It's never going to be like that, but I would say once we clear 1R here and we're moving up in around here, that's when I'd be inclined to pull my stop loss in to break even, or better than break even. Now, you can follow it. If it's trending, as it moves, you can move your stop loss behind these lows. So just stay one step behind it. For example, well, I'm staying 2 steps behind it. See, this is where it is at the moment. There's 1, there's 2. I hope that makes sense, right? So I'm 2 previous lows behind the current. There's a swing low there, swing low here, and a swing low here. So if my stop is, okay, 2 swings, so that could be a thing. I mean, you just got to watch out, because what I've been noticing lately, well, in the past couple of month or so, is, well, I mean, this is something that occurs quite often, right? You get this trend here. I'll just try and find an example. Everything, yeah, I mean, here's the thing. Everyone gets comfortable with higher highs, higher lows. Let's just say that was an entry, right? And then you go for that. So you've got this trend running, higher highs, higher lows, and you get comfortable with it. Stop below the previous low. Stop below the previous low. Let's just say that's an entry point. You want to watch out for this, right? There's an entry. So there's your stop under the previous low. And look what happened, see? Up until then, I mean, you know, you got away with most of this, but every now and again, it's going to get aggressive and they're going to hunt stops, and they're going to do this right here. That's a stop run. Okay, everybody gets comfortable, higher highs, higher lows, stop, below the previous. So that's why I'm thinking go, 2 swings. So 2 swings is there. If this was an entry point here, for example, there's my 2 swings, swing lows, right? Something like that. You could trail it like that, potentially. So with that in mind, yeah, that's why my stop loss is down here at the moment. That's about it, guys. That's my take on Bitcoin. I really hope you gained something from the video, and I invite you to comment. Definitely share the love, and your thoughts matter. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.